The U.S. brisks falling behind as China takes the lead in clean energy. Did you know that the first ever solar cell was developed in the United States? And that Tesla once held the title as the world's biggest electric vehicle manufacturer? Additionally, the United States played a significant role in co-developing the lithium-ion battery. But times have changed dramatically, and China has emerged as a dominant force in solar cell and battery production. Moreover, China's BYD has surpassed Tesla to become the leading electric vehicle manufacturer. And the country has begun to invest heavily in research and development, now outpacing the U.S. in this crucial area. But here's the critical part. The U.S. has a long history of both pioneering clean energy and losing its leading position. Unfortunately, the recent clean energy bill passed by the Senate under President Donald Trump's administration threatens to move the U.S. to the sidelines of the global clean energy revolution. A revolution that the nation could have led. For many years, renewable energy generated by solar panels, batteries, and wind turbines has been the leading source of new electricity in the United States. This year, wind and solar energy have surpassed coal in terms of electricity production on the national power grid. Notably, employment in the clean energy sector has outpaced that of the fossil fuel industry and is experiencing robust growth. And this is where it gets controversial. While the new bill has removed some of the harsher taxes on renewables proposed earlier, it simultaneously diminishes critical investments made by the 2022 Inflation Reduction Act. Among other things, the bill expedites the phase-out of tax credits for wind and solar, removes the $7,500 electric vehicle tax credit, and introduces a tax break for coal, a move that many view as counterproductive to sustainable energy. This aligns with Trump's known skepticism of renewable energy and his doubts about climate change. The changing policy landscape is poised to have broad implications for the U.S. economy. The nation's demand for electricity is growing at unprecedented levels, particularly due to the tech sector's high energy consumption. Renewable sources like solar and wind are crucial to meeting this demand in a timely manner. However, it takes significantly longer to develop and deploy fossil fuel-based energy solutions. The U.S. remains the global leader in oil and gas production, but depending on these sources means facing longer construction timelines and fluctuating global prices. What do you think? Is this shift in energy policy backward moving or a step toward a balanced energy approach? As the U.S. debates its clean energy future, countries like China are solidifying their leadership in the global clean energy sector. Share your thoughts with us. Do you believe the U.S. can reclaim its position, or is it time to rethink our approach to energy policy? Let's hear your opinions in the comments.